Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for David in New Jersey on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Today we got it ready to go for you, bud. Full tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, all the audio mods, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade in the radio to drive them 2879s a little better. Wideband transmit, wideband receive. You'll get the static 636 mic as well as this nice tune-up video, okay? So let's just go ahead and get right to it. Going to turn RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. And yeah, you see we got the 500 now. We've had to put the 1000 in. So show you about 25 watts all the way down. And I'll go ahead and show you the swing there. 1000 watt slug. About 620 PEP. That way if you decide to run like a 16 or 24 PO, you got enough adjustability. There's about 150 all the way up. Show your average power swing. Hello. About 215, 220 bird. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello. There's that 620, maybe 625 again. Alright, man. We're going to get this out to you. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Mr. David. You've been truckerized. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.